If I had to go back 3 years to start day trading from zero, I would take these 5 steps to become a profitable trader. When you start day trading from zero and you don't have any knowledge, it is really hard to understand which steps you should take to become a profitable trader. When you start watching trading videos, one video is a basic tutorial video and the next video is a professional tutorial video. You see a lot of different tools, totally different strategy, then you will be totally confused because everything that you learn from the first video does not match the second video, not even a single word. That's why I made this video to help you understand which steps you should take to not get confused. I will be really glad if this video could help you even 1%. These are the 5 steps to start trading from zero. Before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1, learn the full basics of trading. This is one of the most important steps in trading. Most of the time, you might think that when you know a few basic instruments, tools, and trading terms and metrics about trading, it is time to learn professional trading and start trading. But this is the worst mistake most of the traders make when they start trading. Let me explain to you with an example why the basics are one of the most important ones in trading. For example, you start your first job career as a wall painter without any training. You go to the customer house you are supposed to paint with your boss. When you start working, your boss asks you to bring some tools and materials like brush, roller, wall putty, primer, etc. But you only know the brush and you don't have any clue what are the other tools and material. And you start asking your boss, what are the other tools and material and where are they? At first, your boss might help you for a few days with some tools and materials, and you are confused and embarrassed every day. But after a few days, your boss starts having issues with your work, your information, and the problem starts coming up. But if you knew every tool and material, none of the problems would happen. That's why the basics of trading are as important as other career basics. Start learning the full basics of trading first, because when you know the full basics, the professional will become much easier to understand and learn. You will not face as much misinformation and issues as well because you know the basics already. Step 2, read about the most popular trading strategies and select only one. When you start trading, you will hear about different trading strategies and see a lot of videos about them. If I were to start trading from zero after learning the basics, I would read about the most popular trading strategies. After learning about different trading strategies, I would identify which one suits my trading style and start learning more about it. That would give me a clear view that I don't need to learn more about any other trading strategy, and I wouldn't have to waste my time learning different strategies every day. Remember that you don't need to learn every strategy in full depth. You only need to understand the basics of strategies to understand which trading strategy suits your trading style. And then select only one trading strategy and ignore every video and article about the other strategies. Because when you watch and read more about different strategies, you will become more confused. Because when you want to take a trade entry according to your strategy, you will remember another rule from another strategy that might say this entry does not match their rule, and you might lose. Then you will end up in confusion. That's why, after learning a little about the most popular trading strategies, select only one that suits your style and ignore the tutorials about all the other trading strategies. Step 3, learn, backtest, and start journaling your trades. This step is more important than all the other steps, because when you find the strategy that suits your style, it is time to learn in full depth about your trading strategy. If you skip any of these, you can't become a profitable trader ever, because these 3 are the steps where your real practical steps start. And also, these steps are more connected than any other steps. You learn your strategy, then you practice to make it happen, and you start to collect data to find the perfect entry point with good risk to reward and also the amount of pips you need to risk every time in every trade. After learning and practicing, journaling is far more important than you think, because if you don't journal your trades, you will never understand where you should enter for a trade, where to exit, and what risk to reward you can expect from your strategy. If you see others whose strategy gives a risk to reward of 1 to 4, that doesn't mean your strategy can give a risk to reward of 1 to 4. Your strategy might give an average of 1 to 2.5. That's why you need to journal your trades and read them to find your perfect entry, RR, and your risk. And always make sure to use a demo account at this stage. Step 4, find a good mentor. Finding a good mentor helps you find your way and become profitable as soon as possible. You will have a clear view of your path and your strategy, and you don't need to jump from one tutorial to another or from one strategy to another. Step 5, start your live trading account. After at least 6 months to 1 year of learning, backtesting, journaling, and seeing results with the demo account, you can then start trading a live account with a smaller amount. When you start trading on a live account, never deposit a large amount. Deposit a small amount and trade it to see if you can make a profit. If you can make a profit with a small account, then you can make a profit with a big account as well. Account size never makes any difference in your trading, because if you could turn $100 into $200, then you can turn $1,000 into $2,000 as well. Still, if you didn't make it with a smaller account, you can't make it with a bigger account as well. I hope this video helps you to understand where to start your trading journey and what steps to take to become a profitable trader. Make sure to like and subscribe for more upcoming free content to help you in your trading career.